We are on our national adventure. If you haven't met us yet, hi, this is Andrew. I'm Allison. This is Kiara, Carolina, and Chloe, and we love to travel.
Okay, so there's the doorbell. We're gonna go check the front door and see what just arrived.
Conquest Maps is an awesome way to document your memories and plan out travel goals.
So when we started traveling in 2018, we were traveling in an RV all across the United States. It was kind of like before people decided that it was like the cool thing to do. And so our family of 5 traveled the USA. We went to cool places, really neat destinations, and really was to discover areas that we might want to live and also have this experience while the kids were young. And once we found our home base and decided where we were gonna live full time, we thought it would be really cool to get a map to sort of like commemorate and remember where we've been.
So these are hand-assembled canvas prints. They use top-quality, eco-friendly materials that are unique and personable, and there's many sizes available. Their original, beautiful designs use pins to match your style, guaranteed to help you travel more and stay inspired for your next trip.
For the love of travel. Super excited to see how it looks.
I mean, wow! This is a fantastic map with high quality, incredible workmanship. You have the option for using your own logo, your own font, so you can customize it in so many different ways. It's just beautiful and flawless, and it's extremely well made. Can't recommend this map enough. Look at the details.
So this is the United States, and we ordered for the whole North America because this is where we primarily have traveled. They have so many different ones, but I just thought it was so pretty. I'm just floored. This is just beautiful. I'm floored. I'd seen on the website and I was super excited about this because of the details, but seeing here in person, I'm floored. It is just like a work of art that I'm so excited to get on our wall and actually display in our house. Taking it out, it is. So it is like an entire frame.
Solid canvas, really great workmanship. So this is a really quality product. It's really well made.
Okay, and then there's also information. So let's see what these are. Okay, I'm just gonna set that there for 1 second while we head over here and check this out. Okay, so it says map hanging guide and it's got information. Let's look at that. I ordered 2 different colors of push pins. Included 2 stickers, and then I had ordered these push pins just because I wanted 2 different colors to use. They also included a hanging map with really easy to follow instructions, so this is pretty straightforward. They've included nails and even a leveler, so they definitely don't miss the details. It's beautiful. Oh, I love this too. So if you guys actually want one, they have included a 10% off. Okay, I'm just gonna say we had gotten this one through Kara and Nate earlier this year, and we had it personalized, and then this is the one through Conquest Maps, and actually I could have had it personalized as well, but I decided just to have it for North America and not have, you know, our name put on it. I love the details, and oh my gosh, the difference is like night and day. Isn't it beautiful? It's so pretty. I'm gonna take the plastic off in a little bit and then we're gonna hang it up. When I found Conquest Maps and I saw how incredibly beautiful their maps are, I knew that we had to try them. I wish that I would purchase from them in the beginning because it's amazing. Comparing them to Kara and Nate's is just like, there's no comparison. It's just, this is just such a better quality and it's so pretty. And I'm so excited to be able to display it on our walls. And even what's so much better is that with the different color of pinpoints that we have, I can map out future trips that we're planning to take and future conquests that we're planning to have. So I'm really excited about all that, and the girls can take part in it. And just like when we were in the RV and we were putting a new sticker on the map as far as like where we had been, this is something cool that they can take part in too. Now they can place a pin in the area that we've been to, and that's pretty cool. And I'm excited because we can have different colors, so different colors can mark out where I plan to go, and different colors can mark out where we have been. Okay, so we are putting this map up in the dining room, that way we can have like chats while we're talking at dinner and then reminisce about the places we've been to. If you want to get your own map, there's a link down in the description box with a code. You can get 15% off your own map, and you won't regret it. Honestly, I know this because we've spent money on 2 different maps at 2 different companies, and the quality is so much better at Conquest. Hands down, like 100% hands down. So, hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and we'll see you on the next video.